In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI for podcasting, step by step. Whether you're looking to create transcripts, craft perfect show notes, or just improve your overall podcast workflow, Otter can really be a game changer and save you hours of manual work. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of Otter AI. To start, open up your internet browser and head over to Otter AI. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. Don't worry if you haven't signed up yet. It's straightforward and you can start for free. Now, if you're someone who prefers working on your phone, feel free to install the Otter AI app on your Android or iPhone device. It's convenient if you're recording directly from your mobile. Now, on to recording or importing your podcast audio. Otter gives you the flexibility to either record your podcast right within the platform or upload an existing audio file for transcription. If you choose to record, just click record and speak directly into Otter. Alternately, if you have a pre-recorded podcast episode, simply click import and upload your file. Otter supports various formats like MP3, WAV, or even video files. For those who have a backlog of episodes, importing them into Otter for transcription is both simple and precise. Once your audio is in Otter, it gets to work, transcribing your podcast in real time. After just a few minutes, you'll see your entire episode transformed into text. It's quite impressive to watch as Otter generates the text line by line, and once your transcript is ready, you can start the crucial step of editing and cleaning it up. Dive into the transcription and make any necessary corrections or edits. Fix speaker names, trim out those filler words like or and ensure the punctuation is just right for clarity and readability. For a more organized transcript, consider labeling each speaker. It's a great way to keep track of who said what. Next, let's look at creating show notes or episode highlights, which are essential for engaging your audience. Navigate to the summary section where Otter has already created highlights and summaries for you. This is a fantastic resource for writing your show notes or crafting detailed episode descriptions. When you're satisfied with your transcript and notes, it's time to export or share them. Click on Export and choose your preferred format, whether it's TXT, PDF, or DOCX. You can also directly copy your transcript for blog posts or YouTube captions. And remember, with Otter's transcripts, you can easily repurpose your content into blog posts, newsletters, or condensed clips for social media, adding significant value to each podcast episode. And if you're conducting remote interviews using platforms like Zoom or Riverside, consider integrating Otter AI to get real-time transcriptions of your sessions. It's remarkably efficient and enhances productivity by capturing everything automatically, even during live recordings. And there you have it. That's how you can use Otter AI for podcasting in 2025 to streamline processes and enhance your content creation. It's truly one of the best tools out there for podcasters looking to easily produce transcripts, summaries, and repurpose content efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.